Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Learn with me Parul Sahni. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to do birthday decorations in a budget. Recently we celebrated my daughter's second birthday, and because of the pandemic, we had to do it at our home itself. We decided a blue and white theme. So according to the theme, we went to the market and bought some of the decoration items. Along with that, 2-3 things I ordered from Amazon as well, whose link I will share in the description box below. These are the birthday themed tissue papers which are very easily available in the markets. Since we wanted to do something unique and creative, so using these birthday themed tissue papers, we decided to make dresses and birds using origami. Next we bought this happy birthday banner, which is again blue in color according to the blue-white theme. Pump air in the balloons, we got the small pump which is very easily available in the market. Then I bought this small little very cute looking chalkboard which we thought we'll use and write Eva's name on this and decorate it on the table. It was just 50 rupees. Then we decided that one wall we'll use to decorate the balloons, and that will be the backdrop cake wall. And so we decided to place all the balloons on the curtain and put nice curtain. So to decorate the table, we used my mother's saris as a cloth and decorated it nicely with them. It looked really chic. Then we bought these paper cut fans which are according to the theme that we decided. Then we decided to stick some of the balloons on the ceiling using a double tape. So I got these stars which are 2 in number from Amazon, and which were again according to the theme that we decided, which is blue in color. Then we got this number 2 balloon since Eva turned 2, so we stuck that on the wall. Then according to the theme, I got this paper glasses which were again blue-white in combination, and used them to decorate the cake table. So from the market itself, I got this cupcake stand and a cake stand. So cupcake stand was I guess around 600 rupees and cake stand was 200 rupees. You can buy it from the market or you can also buy it online. It's available on Amazon as well. It's very useful. So I decided to use marigold flowers to decorate the entrance of the door, as it is really auspicious and it looks really good. Then we got these photos printed of Eva to stick them around through the light. That's easily available on the market. It was just 100 rupees and the printed cost. This is how it looked like after everything got completed, and it was really appreciated by all the people who came. We also ordered for a 2-tier cake and cupcakes, and everything was in a blue-white theme itself, as you can see in the pictures, and it looked really nice all together. So all the decoration items, everything was under 1500. So the decorations were in a budget. If you guys are looking for decorating something at home for a surprise birthday party or a surprise anniversary celebrations, do check out the video and share it with your friends.